All right, a little something different today because I got a lot on my brain, and sometimes I'm gonna cut the grass and talk it out. So I've really pushed myself for the last few years trying to get where I am. And once I was here, I kind of lost not necessarily the vision of what I was doing, but what I want to do now that I'm here. So that's kind of what this is about. We'll see if we can. I think I'm just having issues with finding purpose again because I got to where I wanted to be. And now I'm kind of thinking about the next step. And that's the part I'm having difficulty with, you know, finding the purpose in what it is that I'm doing. Like, is creating all this content in the sense of how it's helped me, the things that I did, all the same stuff that's out there. So, is it new? Is the information that I have any more important than anyone else? I mean, is it just about seeing it in a different light? I mean, it's all the same, you know. I understand what I had to do to get here, and helping others understand what they need to do to get there is already out there. That's what I did. I just kept looking up everything I needed to know in order to keep moving forward. And I'm wondering if that's the problem. It's not necessarily about the information, it's about how to move forward, how to not get locked in your current state of mind, that nothing is actually going to get better, and that regardless of how much work you do, it's all going to stay the same. And I mean, I get that because I kind of felt that way as well. But that's what I'm having difficulty with. It's understanding the way that most people learn is by watching. And maybe I just got to keep putting forth the stuff that I'm doing. I don't know. Some stuff between a purpose and a content dilemma. I'm having trouble figuring out which way to go. I want people to get healthy. I want them to exercise. I want them to build muscle. I want them to get strong, especially in your older age, because those are the most important things, you know, being able to go enjoy your life, even after you've stopped the 9 to 5, so to speak. So starting now is much easier than starting 10 plus years from now. So how do I present that? I mean, everybody else is presenting the same thing. Is it just about, you know, telling people how good it is? I mean, they all see it. Like, am I wrong? Am I just overthinking this? Like, is it just the same formula for everything? Like, do I want to be a coach? I don't know if I want to be a coach. I think there's enough out there that if you have the proper mindset on understanding what is needed to be done in order to accomplish the goals that you want, like, there's so much information out there. And I guess that's kind of like what I'm doing, using the information that's out there to accomplish the goals that I want. So, what are my goals? That's what I need to answer for myself. Not even necessarily about answering it for other people. I mean, my goal is to help people feel the way that I feel, and understand that the simplicity of your life doesn't necessarily mean that it's boring. You know, You take the steps necessary to be physically active, eat healthy, be grateful, understand how to be grateful, realizing that even the small things for your day, are there for you. Like most people think like the birds and the squirrels and all that, they're just going about their business. But I mean, they don't go about their business in areas where they're not welcome. So if you see a lot of that, for me, that means that I'm on the right mindset, that I can appreciate the birds and the squirrels and, the fact that I can cut my grass and be out here in the sunshine. I just had a good breakfast, like simple breakfast, you know, but that's what I'm having the struggle with, is understanding what it is that I'm really trying to do here. Like, I guess I want to be a coach of some sort, help people understand what they need to do in order to improve their life. I mean, not everybody is in that boat, but I think there's a lot of people who could benefit from that. And like I said, all the information's already out there. And is it just a case of me presenting it in a way that, you know, resonates with everybody else? But I mean, there's only so much of that, right? It's like 1 of 24. I don't know. Am I really overthinking this? Like, is it really that simple? Just buy one of these, coaching programs and spend 25 hours a week coaching people online? Like, is it really that simple? I don't know. It might be really that simple. I don't know. I'll go cut the fight.